Okay, so first I want to say hello and thanks for taking the time to watch the video. My name is Jeff. My company is Belanger Solutions. I did try reaching out to you a couple days back. I just got a voicemail with your email address on it, so I figured I would try to reach out to you and send this out and see what you thought about it. Um, Point of the video is just to kind of go over how you could increase the value of your company and get some more exposure online through Google. Some people don't know the ins and the outs. So I figured I would touch up a little bit on that for you. Maybe I could explain some things. I did find, let's see, I got you here for Apex, but I know you're out of Holly Springs or your physical address is Holly Springs. So I just simply typed in plumber and Apex. So what I wanted to kind of touch on, you may or may already know, every time you type something in here into Google, these are considered keywords. And Google uses these words to find websites that best fit your search for the words typed in and for the best content of other websites. Search engine optimization is what they call it, SEO. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to the keywords that are typed in here and then categorizes those websites based on that. And that's how you establish rank. Now, typically you want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords. We also need backlinks and citations, Google Business Profile. But just to touch on a few things, of course, we have ads here. You are aware that this is the map section, the map pack. To rank in the map pack, it is a Google Business Profile and citations. Citations are name, address, and phone number as your business profile would appear with the service locations you want to cover. A lot of people just search plumber near me, plumber Aplex, plumber Fuquay. As long as you have those areas covered, Google will recognize that, and that is part of the rank structure for being in the maps. Directories include, Yelp, Angie, BBB, Yellow Pages. Anything underneath the map is considered organic rank structure, aside from advertising like Yelp or Angie, or extensions and pathways that lead here. So to show you a company's owner that owns his site without any extensions, pathways, or advertising, I picked CDK Plumbing and Drains. This is his site. There's no extensions on it, so he is ranking here organically with his content and his keywords that are being typed in here, and Google is finding that. This is his site, and I have a tool that I can use to see what's going on behind closed doors, behind the scenes with websites, and the tool's name is Ahrefs. So I mentioned backlinks is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your site from another site. It creates popularity, it creates trust, and Google uses that to rank. It is a major ranking factor. 147 backlinks. He has 32 domains connected to him from these backlinks. And then content and keywords come into play here. He has 67 keywords that are being targeted when somebody is typing into Google, and he's getting 24 views a month of traffic from that. Now, to understand keywords and how this works a little bit more, plumber Apex, North Carolina is getting searched 250 times a month, along with plumber plumbing supplies Apex, drain pipe installation Cary 100, Apex plumbers 150, plumber Holly Springs 150. So you understand, you start adding these up total, and that's just per keyword. That's a lot of exposure. That's a lot of traffic coming your way. That's a lot of potential leads, potential sales, and you can really get recognized with that. Now, also to keep in mind, not all backlinks are created equal. So you wouldn't want a pizza shop or an ice cream shop down the road referring back to your plumbing company. It doesn't carry as much weight as another plumbing company referring back to you. You also want to make sure that they have a strong domain rank and they have a fair amount of traffic coming in. And all of these backlinks are completely obtainable by you and more. So if you were to wanted to outrank him, he's got 147. You need 200. If he's got 67 keywords with his content, put 150 in there. and then you'll slowly begin to be recognized by Google as a trusted authority with what people are searching for, and you move yourself up into the rank, and this is how you get in the first page of Google, and this is how you expose yourself to a lot of potential business and clients. A lot of companies can build websites. Some of them just fall short when it comes to content and SEO. If you don't have a well-built website, it's kind of like having a business card on a desert island. Nobody's going to see you. Um, so with that being said, I just want to take the time to explain that to you. Hopefully you find that insightful and have a better understanding of what goes on with Google websites and how you rank on the first page. And I appreciate you taking the time to watch the video. If you wanted to reach out, talk, go over goals, anything you'd like to do, that's fine. Again, thanks for watching the video. I hope this was helpful.